Hi, welcome on Yoganda Yoga. Start seated in a comfortable position and relax your face, your shoulders. Breathe deeply a few times and then start to rotate your shoulders backwards. Very gently, very slowly, and then reverse the movement and rotate your shoulders forward with awareness of movement. And lift your shoulders up towards the ears. Release, lift, release. One more, lift, and exhale, release. Shake your shoulders, keep moving. And come back to the front. And with your next exhale, you rotate your head towards one side. Keep your shoulders relaxed and your breath calm. Come back to the front and turn to the opposite side. Keep breathing. Come back to the front and lift your chin up. Look up. And then lower your chin down towards the chest so that you stretch your neck very gently. Inhale, look up again. Stretch your throat. Exhale, look down. Stretch your neck. Shoulders are still relaxed. And come up. Interlace the fingers at the base of your skull. And gently push your head down towards the chest. Very gently. Elbows towards each other. And come up. And stretch your chest up. Lift your chest. Open your heart. And with one hand, push one elbow down and back towards the shoulder. Hands it's on the shoulder. Keep breathing here for 3 breaths. Then change sides. Keep breathing. Release your hand and twist your spine. Place one hand on the opposite knee and the other hand on the floor behind you. Twist your spine very gently, but with your breath. Inhale, come to the front. Exhale, change side. Inhale, lift. Exhale, twist slightly more. Come back to the front and interlace the fingers again. Lift your chest up and lower your chest down. Head towards the floor. Lift your arms up. Try to reach the floor or place a block underneath your forehead, but you don't have to reach the floor today. Stretch your arms up. Come up and release the pose. Take Shavasana for a few more moments.